A desperate appeal this evening for the Jamaica Public Service to urgently restore electricity in Port Royal. This after residents in the community have been without power for 4 days now. As Kalisha Williams reports, fisherfolk are among those worst affected.
Fishermen in Port Royal working overtime to get all these fish sold before they go to waste. Yes, they're freshly caught fish, but with no electricity in the community for the past 4 days now, storing any type of seafood has been extremely challenging.
Can't get ice, we buy ice here for you go see, we can't ice. And the vendor, they buy fish from us, they have to sell out them fish, and sometimes fish slow, them have to sell it for cheaper price, they get rid of them.
So as the fishermen gathered in the community worry, we were told the electricity may not be restored until Saturday, which is why the residents are blasting the Jamaica Public Service JPS.
There must be more transparent to the people, because then you can't just cut off a community like that, because it affects the industry, affect the productivity of the whole community. People pay them money, and when you don't pay them light bill, they might lock you off right away.
The Port Royal police station is one of the very few places with a working generator, and so it's where many residents have been going to charge their devices and even to work.
To conduct their call center BPO business from the police station, and I want to thank the police for accommodating them.
The disruption has caught the attention of Member of Parliament for East Kingston and Port Royal, Philip Paulwell. Along with other stakeholders, he was able to donate some much-needed ice to residents and fishers. But that pales in comparison to how badly the residents want the light to be restored.
People who don't have protector on them thing get licked, and a lot of time people lose things and them not saying it because them know not now come out of it, because we have no law to govern those the poor.
I have been in touch with the Jamaica Public Service Company, the Water Commission, Ministers Montague and Mackenzie, and also the airport authorities to see how they can provide some immediate assistance to the people of the town, especially the fisher folks whose livelihood is now at stake.
When we contacted the JPS, this was the first automated message we heard.
Good evening. Some of our customers in Port Royal and surrounding areas are without electricity as a result of damage to JPS underground cable by contractors working on behalf of the Airport Authority of Jamaica. We are making every effort to restore power supply as soon as possible, and thanks the affected customers for their patience and understanding.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.